More efficient way to pickle a string. The pickle module seems to use string escape characters when pickling. This becomes inefficient, for example, on numpy arrays. Consider the following. The lengths are 1133 characters and 4249 characters respectively. z.dumps reveals something like \xo or \xoo, actual zeros in string, but pickle seems to be using the string's repr function, yielding \xo or \xoo, zeros being ASCII zeros. i.e. 0 in z.dumps equals false, and 0 in pickle.dumps z.dumps equals true.
Try using a later version of the pickle protocol with the protocol parameter to pickle.dumps. The default is 0 and is an ASCII text format. 1's greater than 1. I suggest you use pickle.highest_protocol. Protocol formats 1 and 2, and 3, but that's for pi_ec, are binary and should be more space conservative.
Solution.
z.dumps is already pickled string, i.e., it can be unpickled using pickle.loads.
An improvement to Vartex answer that seems a bit more memory efficient, since it doesn't force everything into a string.